In this video, I'll show you how to make your Wi-Fi faster on your Xiaomi 17 Pro. So there are two things you can do to boost your Wi-Fi speeds on your Xiaomi 17 Pro. So the first thing is by connecting to two Wi-Fi networks. So simply go to settings and then select Wi-Fi. And then from here, select network acceleration, tap on it, and then select dual band Wi-Fi speed boost, tap on that, and enable this option. Now, once you enable it, you can connect to another Wi-Fi network. So let's say this one, you can connect to it. And then once it's connected, you can now have multiple Wi-Fi networks that will boost your Wi-Fi speeds. Now, another thing you can do is by using your mobile data to boost your speed. So within the network acceleration settings, scroll down and find the use mobile data to boost your speed option and tap on the toggle switch icon, and that will enable it. And then once you enable this feature, you should see an option called speed boost mode. You can tap on it and can choose if you want auxiliary or the full option. So select the one that you prefer, and then I should see all the list of applications that you can use to boost your Wi-Fi speeds or to boost your connection speeds. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.